Hello guys, it's AG Compass here, back with another video. Sorry I haven't been posting that much, but I just want to say, before I go, I just want to say I'm sorry again. This video will hopefully be awesome. I'm going to be making another video very or after this video. So go check that out. Not now, but when it gets posted, go check it out. And I have nothing else to say, so I'm actually going to be going to the gun range today to shoot actual guns, including snipers, and not snipers, bolt action guns, which are awesome. Which are basically snipers, basically. You guys got to see. Oh, it's probably like, it's actually 8:37 right now at night, so I can't. Oh, I've already done it, so I'm actually going to play a preview. So actually, it's going to be kind of day. So it's just all right. I'm just going to show you the recording of what I got when I was there. All right. Be right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was it. How'd that feel, buddy?
That felt so awesome. Let's go.
Good job.
That was amazing.
See how you did now.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. I'll do this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.
Okay. How'd that feel, buddy? How'd that feel?
Amazing.
It feel good?
Yes. Amazing.
Or 100 yards to try to zero in a scope to get it as accurate as possible. Yes, because the farther the bullet goes, the more it's going to start sweeping down.
I wasn't thinking of that. I was thinking like you're aiming like this isn't. Thank you for all you guys watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I hope to see you in the next one.